All right, today I want to introduce a brand new product to you. It is a belt for a Can Am Ryker 600. Yes, I said Ryker, not an ATV or a UTV that we're well known for out there. Just so happens this particular belt fits on the Can Am Defender HD8, the 16 through 19 models I believe it is. And I just recently found this out. And then we found out the secondary clutches and the tools and etc. Can also be used by the Ryker 600 and 900. So enter in Hunterworks into the Ryker 600 900 clutch market, if you will. Now we do not presently have a 900 belt. We are working on it. This is the 600 belt. And what's the big difference here? Well, first and foremost, if you look on your OE belt, you're going to see a larger emblem, but this little emblem right here, and we have the same emblem because our belt is made by the same manufacturer. It is slightly different. Can Am uses two different belts in the UTV world that are essentially dimensionally the same. And in the older Defenders, 16 through 19, and your Ryker belt, I believe the part number ends in 656, it is a compound. It's an older compound, and they have a newer higher performance compound that they switched to on the newer Defenders, some X3s. So it's a higher grade compound, and that particular belt, if I'm not mistaken, retails $229. And today's price, and prices change over time, you know, videos get old. I believe we sell this belt for $159. So we choose to take the higher grade materials to make our belt. Our mantra here is always best on the planet. So you can rest assured, like I said, we've been doing this 22 years. We finally have a grasp on what we're doing, especially with belts these days. And these are available on our main website, which is hunterworks.com. We have a Shopify site that my son uses for a lot of marketing stuff that you can buy direct there at hunterworks1.com. And then lastly, they are available on Amazon if you need to purchase it there. We'd rather you not, because Amazon takes a big chunk out of it, but if it's convenient for you and that's what you want to do, do it. We made an introduction video to you Can Am Ryker owners, and just want to let you know that we're out here and we are making high quality parts. And we will have a few available, including the belt mentioned. And I'm also available, Todd at hunterworks.com for tech questions, etc. Do not know Rykers per se, but I understand clutching. I can help you troubleshoot them because it's essentially a Defender clutch that's sitting up this way instead of this way. And it's a lighter vehicle. But nonetheless, looking forward to doing business with you guys. And if I can help you anyway, Todd at hunterworks.com. Thanks.